Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning podcast.
Hello, friends. We are so happy you are here to practice English with us today.
Today's topic is very important. We will talk about how to be confident in English.
Yes, many learners understand English, many learners study grammar, but they feel nervous when speaking.
If that sounds like you, don't worry. You are not alone.
In this episode, we will help you build real speaking confidence step by step.
Before we begin, please like this video, share it with a friend who needs confidence, and subscribe for more real English practice. David, what is confidence?
Confidence means you believe in yourself. You believe you can do something.
Confidence does not mean perfect English.
Yes, that is very important. Confidence is not perfection. Repeat after me. I don't need perfect English. Good job. Now repeat, I need practice. Excellent.
Many students feel nervous when they speak English. Why?
Because they are afraid of mistakes.
Yes, they think, what if I say something wrong? What if people laugh?
But here is the truth. Mistakes are normal. Even native speakers make mistakes.
Let's practice a powerful sentence. Mistakes help me improve. Say it again. Mistakes help me improve. Very good.
One big reason people feel nervous is because they try to say long, complicated sentences.
Yes, but simple English is strong English. For example, instead of saying, I would like to express my opinion regarding this topic, just say, I think this is a good idea.
Simple, clear, confident.
Repeat, I think. Very useful phrase. Other simple phrases. In my opinion, I agree. I don't agree. I'm not sure. These are powerful and easy.
Confidence comes from practice. If you practice only once a week, you will feel nervous.
But if you practice 10 to 15 minutes every day, you will feel stronger. For example, speak to yourself in English. Describe your day. Talk about your breakfast.
Example, this morning I woke up at 7. I drank coffee. I went to work. Very simple, but very powerful practice.
Now let's talk about mindset. Negative thought. My English is bad. Positive thought. My English is improving. Negative thought. I am too shy. Positive thought. I am learning to be confident.
Repeat after me. I am learning to be confident. Great job.
Confidence increases when you are prepared. Think about common questions. Where are you from? What do you do? What are your hobbies?
Prepare simple answers. For example, I am from Vietnam. I am an office worker. I like watching movies and playing football. Practice this many times. Then, when someone asks, you feel ready.
Let's practice a small, real conversation. Hi, David. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. I feel confident because I practiced English this morning. How about you?
I'm a little tired, but I'm happy to be here.
That's real English. Not perfect, not complicated, just real.
Confidence is not only words. It is also your body and voice. Stand straight, smile, speak slowly.
When you speak slowly, you sound more confident. If you speak too fast, you feel stressed.
Take a deep breath before speaking. That helps a lot.
Now listen to a confident example. Hi, my name is Anna. I'm from Thailand. I work in marketing. I've been learning English for 2 years. I'm still improving, but I enjoy speaking with new people.
Did you hear that? She said, I'm still improving. That is confident and honest. Now it's your turn. Answer these questions out loud. 1. Why are you learning English? 2. What makes you feel nervous? 3. What small step can you take today? Pause the video and speak.
Good job! Even speaking alone builds confidence.
Today we learned confidence is not perfection. Mistakes help you improve. Use simple sentences. Practice every day. Change negative thoughts. Small steps create big results. Write in the comments. 1. When do you feel nervous speaking English? 2. What positive sentence will you tell yourself today? 3. How many minutes will you practice tomorrow? Let's support each other.
Remember, you are braver than you think.
You are improving more than you realize.
Confidence grows with action.
Speak, practice, repeat.
See you next time. Keep going.